In this video, I'm going to show you how to set newly downloaded apps to add to the home screen or to app library only. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down until you find the home screen. Just open it up, and right here you can set up newly downloaded apps. You can select between two features. You can add them to the home screen or to app library only. And right in that way you can simply switch between that two options. If you choose app library only, newly downloaded apps will be added just to your app library without creating app icon on the home screen. And if you want to add every new app to the home screen, you can choose that option. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.